विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, केमिकल रिएक्शन्स ऑफ अल्डिहाइड्स आणि कीटोन्स मध्ये आपण पाठीमागच्या पिरियडला ज्या रिएक्शन्स बघितल्या त्या न्यूक्लिओफिलिक ऍडिशन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन बघितल्या. त्याच मधली आपल्याला पुढची एक रिएक्शन पाहायची आहे, ती म्हणजे अल्डोल कंडेन्सेशन. Aldehydes, as we see here, is a CH3 C double bond O H. Here is a H C double bond OH. Another one is a CH3 C double bond O CH3. Again here is a benzaldehyde. We will see C double bond OH, or benzophenone may be written as like this. Here is a C double bond O CH3, or acetophenone may be written as like this. Here is a C6H5 C double bond O CH3. So as we see, when we start a numbering from a carbonyl carbon atom in IUPAC system, but in common system, the carbon atom after a carbonyl group termed as a alpha carbon atom. Here as we take the C double bond O H, here is a CH2 CH3. This is alpha carbon atom and this is a beta carbon atom. So a carbonyl carbon atom, after carbonyl carbon atom, first carbon atom is known as a alpha carbon atom and another carbon atom is called as a beta carbon atom. At here also same in a acetone, this is our acetone, or it is also known as a dimethyl ketone, or it is also known as a propanone. In this, the carbon atom attached to carbonyl carbon atom at both sides are called as alpha carbon atom, and so on. Beta carbon atom, gamma carbon atom are named as like this. In acetaldehyde, here is only one carbon atom. In a propanaldehyde, there is alpha carbon atom and beta carbon atom. In acetone, there are two alpha carbon atoms are present. In formaldehyde, this is a formaldehyde or called as a methanaldehyde. In formaldehyde, only one carbonyl group is present. There is no alpha carbon atom is present, and therefore this aldehyde is a does not contain a alpha carbon atom. In presence, in case of the benzaldehyde, this is a alpha carbon atom, this one. Here is a beta carbon atom, gamma carbon atom, and so on. But this alpha carbon atom, this is a alpha carbon atom which is attached to a directly carbonyl carbon atom of a aldehyde group or a ketonic group. In benzophenone, here is also again this is alpha carbon atom, alpha, beta, 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 and beta. In a this is a benzophenone. So these aldehydes and ketones which contain a alpha carbon atom, and this alpha carbon atom when attached with hydrogen atom, that hydrogen atom is called as a alpha hydrogen atom. The aldehydes which contain a alpha hydrogen atom, two molecules of aldehyde or two molecules of ketone with dilute alkali undergo condensation, form a beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone is called as a aldol condensation. If we want to see a general example written as like this, here is RCH2 C double bond OH. In another way, here is CH2 C double bond OH with alkali in presence of dilute alkali like NaOH or dilute KOH or Na2CO3 sodium carbonate in presence of sodium carbonate. This is aldehyde. two molecules of aldehyde containing a alpha hydrogen atom. This carbon, it is alpha carbon atom, and to which these two hydrogen atoms are attached, and therefore this is called as a aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atom. Two molecules of such aldehyde in presence of dilute alkali like NaOH, dilute KOH, or sodium carbonate as a catalyst undergo a condensation. Here what happens? This carbonyl carbon atom is attacked by another molecules of alpha hydrogen atom, and this alpha carbon atom is attacked on a carbonyl carbon atom, forms a RCH2 COH H C H C double bond OH. So this compound is called as as here this is a alpha carbon atom, this is a beta carbon atom, this is a aldehyde which formed on condensation of two molecules of aldehyde containing a alpha hydrogen atom, forms a beta hydroxy aldehyde. Hydroxyaldehyde, the carbon hydrogen atom attached to a alpha hydrogen atom, and hydroxyl group of both carbon atom undergo a elimination reaction. On heating loses a water molecule, formation of RCH2 C, not R, CR C double bond OH. This is called as a alpha alkenyl. So this is a alpha alkenyl, that means a aldehyde containing a carbon-carbon double bond at alpha carbon atom is formed. This all reaction is called as a aldol condensation. This all reaction is called as a aldol condensation. This is a general example. Then we have to see the two molecules of acetaldehyde. Here is a two molecules of CH3 C double bond OH. This is alpha carbon atom to which three hydrogen atoms are attached, and therefore this acetaldehyde, two molecules of acetaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH or KOH, which is also dilute one, or Na2CO3 as catalyst, forms a CH3 CHOH CHHCHO. This is called as beta hydroxy. At this is alpha position, this is a beta position. To beta position hydroxy group is attached, therefore beta hydroxy 1 2 3 4, therefore this is a butanal. So this is called as a beta hydroxy butanaldehyde. This is contain alcoholic group as well as aldehydic group in molecule, and therefore it is also known as a aldol. This aldol on heating loses a water molecule, forms CH3 CH double bond CHCHO. This is called as but 2 in al, not 1. Here is 1 2 3 4 4 for butane. At second and third position double bond is present, and therefore this is named as butyl-enol, or it is also known as commonly crotonaldehyde. This is named as a crotonaldehyde. This all reaction is called as a aldol condensation. So we have to see the aldol condensation in case of ketones containing a alpha hydrogen atom can be written as like this, as same. So This reaction is also example nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Two molecules of ketones containing a alpha hydrogen atom, say as a acetone. Here is a CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is our propanone. This propanone contain both two alpha carbon atom and two H33 alpha hydrogen atoms are attached. Two molecules react with each other or condense with each other in presence of dilute alkali like NaOH, KOH or sodium carbonate as a catalyst condense to each other. Here formation of CH3 C CH3OH, CH, C double bond O, CH3 is a takes place. Here is again, this is alpha carbon atom, this is a beta carbon atom, this is also alpha carbon atom, and this is gamma carbon atom, and therefore it is called as beta hydroxy ketone. This is called as a beta hydroxyketone or by IUPAC nomenclature system. This is a carbon atom number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and therefore to which this methyl group is attached and this hydroxy group is attached, and therefore it is named as 4-hydroxy 4-methyl penta-2-1. This is named as a 4-hydroxy 4-methyl pentane 2,1 as this formed compound, and this on heating loses or eliminate a water molecule, formation of CH3 C CH3 double bond CH C double bond O CH3 is takes place. This is named as a 4-methyl pent 1, 2, 3. Double bond is present in between 3 and 4. Therefore, 3 in 1, 2, 1. This is named as 4-methyl pent 3 in 2, 1. So, this is about aldol condensation with propanone or called as a acetone. So, this is the aldol condensation in case of ketone. The aldehydes or ketones which contain alpha hydrogen atom condense two molecules of aldehyde or ketone containing alpha hydrogen atom condense with each other in presence of dilute alkali like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide or sodium carbonate. On condensation form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone is called as a aldol, which on heating eliminate a molecule of water forms a aldol, forms a crotonaldehyde or crotonal ketone, crotoketone is called as a aldol condensation. And there is a again crossed aldol condensation is also carried out. Different molecules of aldehyde or ketones containing a alpha carbon atom undergo aldol condensation in presence of alkali forms of 4 types of different products. So that are given in our. Here is when two different molecules of aldehyde or ketone undergo condensation in presence of dilute alkali like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide or sodium carbonate forms 4 types of different product. Out of 2 products are formed by self condensation of 2 aldehyde molecules, and another are react with each other forms 2 different products. Here we will take the example of the acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde in presence of dilute alkali First, on self-condensation, acetaldehyde form beta-hydroxybutanaldehyde, which eliminate a water molecule, forms butane 2-in-al. But-2-enal or cronaldehyde is formed, which is shown as like here. When two molecules of propanol, this is also named as a propanal. When two molecules of propanol undergo the condensation in presence of dilute alkali, forms a 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanal. This will shown as like this. When two molecules of propanol condense to each other, forms a 3-hydroxy or beta hydroxy pentanal, which on a losing water molecule on heating eliminate a water molecule, formation of 2-methyl pentane 2-enal is takes place as shown at here. At here, so these products are formed by self condensation of enal molecule and propanol molecule with each other. But when this ethanol molecule condenses to a propanol molecule, forms a molecule called as a, that is the beta hydroxyaldehyde, and which loses a water molecule, formation of 4-methyl butane 2-enal is takes place. And the last one, that is the when propanol condenses with the molecule of ethanol, formation of the 3-hydroxypentanal is takes place, which on heating eliminate a water molecule, forms a pentane 2-enal. So this is about a crossed aldol condensation. Aldol condensation may also takes place in presence of one molecule of aldehyde and one molecule of ketone, or two different ketone molecules. It also takes place, that is called as a crossed aldol condensation, which are, we will see the another reaction of aldehyde and ketone, that is the Cannizzaro-Roche reaction. Aldehydes or ketones which does not contain a alpha hydrogen atom in their molecule, or they have lack of a hydrogen atom, undergo self oxidation reduction in presence of a concentrated alkali, undergo self oxidation reduction, gives a sodium salt of carboxylic acid, and on oxidation and a corresponding alcohol on reduction, it forms a corresponding molecule of alcohol, is called as a Cannizzaro reaction. The aldehyde which does not contain or lack of hydrogen atoms are two, that is the formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, as we see earlier. For example, if we take the example of two molecules of formaldehyde HCHO, as here there is no alpha carbon atom and therefore there is no question of hydrogen atom attached to this. This is, or it is also known as a methanol. When react with concentrated alkali above 50% concentration, here is a concentrated sodium hydroxide, undergo a reduction, forms a molecule of alcohol. Here is a CH3O is OH is takes place, while oxidation, a sodium salt of carboxylic acid, here is a C double bond ONA is takes place. This is a sodium formate, and this is our methanol, or it is also known as a methyl alcohol. This reaction is called as a Cannizzaro-Roche reaction, which is only shown by a aldehyde lack of or not contain alpha hydrogen atoms in their molecule. There is another example of aldehyde which is a lack of alpha hydrogen atom is a benzaldehyde. It is an aromatic aldehyde. This is a benzaldehyde. C double bond OH. So this carbon atom, if we say carbon atom number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The first carbon is alpha carbon atom as it does not contain hydrogen atom and therefore it does not contain a alpha hydrogen atom shown a Canizar-Rose reaction. Two molecules of aldehyde undergo a self-oxidation reduction reaction. 50% concentrated potassium hydroxide, it gives a C double bond O. Okay, this is called as potassium benzoate. And on reduction, it gives a corresponding alcohol, that is a benzyl alcohol. This on reduction, it gives a alcohol, that is the benzyl alcohol. This is benzaldehyde. So this is about the Canizar-Rose reaction. When we see about the crossed Canizar-Rose reaction, here is a one molecule of formaldehyde and one molecule of benzaldehyde. Both have lack of alpha hydrogen atom. If we take, here is a HCHO and C6H5CHO. So this is our benzaldehyde. This is our formaldehyde with potassium hydroxide, which is a 50%, above 50% concentration. A lower molecule undergo oxidation, forms a HCOOK, and a higher molecule, higher aldehyde undergo reduction, forms a C6H5CH2OH. This is called as a benzyl alcohol and this is called as a potassium formate. This potassium formate on acid hydrolysis converted to HCOOH plus KOH is again formed. This is called as a formic acid or ethanoic acid. So this is about the crossed Canizar-Rose reaction which takes place. Two aldehyde molecule which does not contain a alpha hydrogen atom or they are called as the non-enolicible aldehyde when react with concentrated potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide gives us a on oxidation one molecule gives a sodium salt of fatty acid or a sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Here potassium formate is a form and on reduction the corresponding alcohol benzyl alcohol is formed potassium formate on acid hydrolysis converted to corresponding formic acid.